Heidi here from Rain Country. God is good all the time. And I'm here for another Rain Country subscriber photo collaboration. And today's topic is about fermentation. So these collaborations are where people send me photos on things that they've made within the topic based off my instructional videos, even if it's something that was just inspired by or they followed my recipes to the T. And the previous one we did was on craft projects, so crocheted items, sewing items, and I'll link to that down below, and I'll be starting a playlist just for these collaborations. And the next one's going to be garden related. So if you haven't started sending me your garden photos from 2022, then go ahead and start sending those to raincountryhomestead@gmail.com, and make sure that you label the email as garden collaboration so I can drop it directly in the folder. I may not reply to every email because usually when I start getting those in, there's a bunch of them, and so I'll just drop it right in there. And then hopefully next month I can get that one together, so probably later in October. And there'll be more topics to come. But again, today's about fermentation. All the pictures you're going to see, I'll have the corresponding names that go with that for the people who sent me the photos. And so some things are going to be wine projects. Some things are going to be homemade sodas using a short fermentation period. Some, like the very first pictures you're going to see, are breads that people made using my fermentation starter. And yes, you can do that. And then later in the video, there'll be another one with the bread. You'll also see fermented fruits and vegetables and lots of vinegar photos. So, and some of those are going to be made out of herbs, some of those out of fruits, some of those out of whatever. So let's get to this slideshow so you can see all the great creations people have made. right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you'd like to submit some photos for the next collaboration, the garden one, go ahead and get those to me now. And stay tuned for more collaborations yet to come. All right, well, thanks for watching. Take care and God bless.